So there's a reason that the camera is dark right now and all you can hear is my voice. Because I'm about to show you something that no one's ever seen before. I sleep on this side. One thing that I've never had trouble with my whole life is waking up and having hair look like this. And no one actually really sees it because Glenn is always asleep when I leave because I'm up at about 5 and it is just not the prettiest sight. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. Hey, so I look a little bit different this time. So what we're doing today is we're going to head off to the south coast to surprise Glenn's mum. It's actually Glenn's idea. We have 2 days off, which is very, very rare. So we're going to shoot down really quick, catch up with Glenn's mum, surprise her. She's had an accident probably about 4 weeks ago where she's had to have surgery on her ankle, which means she's stuck at home, which is not like her. She's 100 miles an hour, always got to be busy. So we're going to surprise her. And yeah, it's 5:30 in the morning. We're going to leave and hopefully the kids sleep as much as they can because they love traveling. And yeah, that's about it. But we will catch up, we'll do a story, we'll let you guys know about our trip and what we get up to. Thanks!
Are you ready for a road trip?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are we going?
Sydney and
We're going
South Coast.
We're going to see Nana. What town is it?
Lithgow.
We're at Lithgow and we're just playing at the park. We're going to see Nana and are we sleeping here?
Sleeping at Nana's for 2 days.
We're sleeping at Nana's 2 days. And yeah, we're gonna have some big huge fun everywhere, like which we're gonna camp over soon. And yeah. About to go down this very deep slide. Look how deep this baby is. Oh, I bet you can't see that. Too sunny. Hey, yeah. What do you think? Yeah. That can't be very good. About to go down. Oh, what do you? Ow, ow! Yay! It's the next ones! Woo!
Quiet, go.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That was scary.
I ended up in the back because I'm tired. It's been a while since I've been up at 4:30 in the morning.
Sissy, don't. No, Dad,
I need to sleep.
you need this. Where are we going now, Dad?
We are checking into the
Beach.
Surf Rider Caravan Park at Shellharbour.
And we're at the beach.
The beach is across the road.
It's going to be very lovely. Hi, Dad.
Sure is, mate.
What do you think, Sissy? It's going to be lovely? Yep. Going to be a good day. We're at our house.
What number is it?
12.
12
Yeah,
or 21?
21. And yeah, Mum and Sissy and Kiljali just get in the key
Keys.
and I think they're coming out.
Are you excited?
Yes, that's Kiljali's bed. And this is my bed and Sissy has 2 beds up the top.
Oh, that's cool.
We could even take the mattress out to the lounge room and have a slumber party.
I have a slumber party!
It's good. It's good. We've come here so many times to Shellharbour and never actually stayed like close to Himbo, so it's good. We're literally staying just there. And this is the beach. amazing is this. Everything that we've had going on lately, I can honestly say this is exactly what we needed. It's been 14 months. No, it's actually been longer than that since Starfire's accident. And without even realising, I went to the motorbikes the other day to pick up Glenn as he was doing photos. And one of the young blokes come up behind me as I was walking towards Glenn. And Glenn was like, look out. Didn't think much of it at the time, but it actually frightened the absolute shit out of me and turned me into like a mini little panic attack. Which I've never had a panic attack to the extent where I couldn't breathe. It's not something I'd wish on anyone, hey. And the next 2 days after that, I just couldn't think, I couldn't concentrate. I was having flashbacks, the PTSD was going crazy. I was really, really struggling. Like, I was at work and I just couldn't get my head around what I was supposed to do because I was so worried. But I felt like I had no control at the same time. Yes, but this is what I needed. We literally, like, last minute decision, said, you know what, Glenn's mum's broke a leg. Let's just go. This is our last weekend off until January. And yeah. So, in 12 months, maybe 2023. So no filter. So in 2023 we're going to travel. Hit the road. Just go. No idea where. We're just gonna hit the road.
Yep, and go wherever we want, boy.
Go wherever we want, boy. So we're just cruising around. But yeah, so we're sticky baking at caravans where we walk around the park. Kirajal is sleeping. Dad's cooking.
No, do it.
Did that just chase you?
Yeah, they went. It's played red light, green light, alright? Okay, I'm gonna run at me, run at me.
Run at you, run at you.
Red light, stop. You have to stay very, very still. And that smell, young woman.
I just went down to Aldi, got some meat, some veggies, gonna cook up a feed in the camp oven. I haven't cooked it on the stove top before with the camp oven, so we'll give it a crack, see how we go. The kids couldn't wait for dinner, looking for food, so they're having 2-minute noodles. The camp oven on the stove top worked pretty good. That's bloody amazing. Check it out.
This is. That's the thing for my little.
That was a pretty cool lolly shop. There was so much in there. I even got a few Dr. Peppers, which I haven't had for a long time. And I got a packet of Nerds. What'd you get?
I'm not a lolly person, but I did get one of those Dairy Milk Furry Friends or something, one of those little chocolates. But
What'd you kids get?
they love lollies.
I got some chewing gum and a toilet paper.
Mm.
And I
I also got something that was very, very yum. But I ate it.
Righto, we'll hit the road now and you kids have a sleep, eh? What do you reckon? Nah, not with that sugar high. Can you notice something missing?
The children are with their grandparents while we go and pick up dinner, but we might take a little while because we're going to go to the pub and wait a little while before we order dinner. They'll be fine.
I think there's a long wait at the
Thai food place.
Thai food place tonight, actually.
Do the swipe?
Because it's Halloween. So, swipe away.
So I stood over there before talking to the lady and I went to lean around to see where the kids are and nearly got hit in the head with a boom gate coming down. Idiot, mate, idiot. So we just took the kids for a walk around the caravan park trick-or-treating, which is not something that we've really done, like I'd think ever. But Glenn's mum bought them stuff, so we thought, oh yeah, well, we've seen a whole heap of kids trick-or-treating last night in this house that was, this cabin, sorry, that was fully done up. Took the kids around there, they're not even there anymore, so luckily one guy seen the kids looking for them and went and got packs of chips out of his cabin and was like, oh here. But yes, I'm not, I don't know, it's a bit weird because I'm not really the type that would walk around and knock on people's door and say, hey, give my kids lollies, or just, I don't know.
Most of them are waiting out the front anyway.
Yeah.
And they've got like heaps of Halloween decorations and stuff out the front, so.
Like, I know we're not American, but like kids watch YouTube and stuff these days. Like, it's in all the shops.
Just like you are right now.
Yes. So, except, and Clara walks around asking for candy. And when you say lollies, she's like, no, it's candy. But yeah. This is a surf club that I ran home from today. I'm very proud of myself.
Shellharbour Surf Club, I think that's what it is.
I think we're in Shellharbour Village, maybe. Is that a thing?
I don't know. There's the water. Some nice houses along the beach.
It'd be good just to have like enough money to have a house on the beach here that you could rent out as an Airbnb.
Oh, look at that one.
Ready to head home. The sunrise is actually incredible today. But yes, we have to head back home. We had to leave early because Kira Charlie has an appointment in Orange, so we'll find out how her hips are going and yeah, kind of breaks it up a bit so we don't have to go to Westmead. And then we'll see what happens, see how she goes with the hips and what we get out of it, and and hopefully she's hip healthy. Thanks. So we are just leaving Orange. We had to stop in at Orange on the way home for Kira Charlie to have her hips tested. I'm gonna fall off the step. And after 22 months, we finally get the all clear, and Kira Charlie no longer has hip dysplasia. So 3 braces, multiple dislocations, and she's got the all clear. And we're about to head home, head back to the madness, back to work tomorrow for me, well actually and Glenn. Yes, Styrocardius asks if we can go to the beach, but Orange doesn't have a beach. Little does he know. But yeah, so this is a bit of our journey. Very impromptu trip to Shellharbour. Yeah, so what do you want to tell everyone? For all the latest updates and to catch up on more of the crazy walkabout lifestyle journeys, even if it's just our random little videos that we do, let us know. Shout out if there's anything that you want us to talk about, anything that you want us to record.
I didn't get that.
Siri.
Siri, I'm not talking to you. There were times where
Okay.
Yeah.
it was a good trip. We're nearly home. Siri, go away, Siri.
Yeah, but anyway, subscribe, like, whatever, write some comments, let us know if there's anything that you want us to check out, talk about. Yep, let us know, and keep subscribing to this channel, and soon we're going to drop a new video each week, so
Siri's talking to me.
watch this space, and yeah, we better hit the road back home. Thanks guys.
Say goodbye, Siri.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Oh, okay. Siri says bye. See ya.
See ya.